Aloe vera, how to use. Aloe vera gel has a long history of being used for medicinal purposes, dating back to ancient times. And the plant is native to North Africa, Southern Europe and the Canary Islands, but can also be grown outside in other tropical climates, as well as grown indoors globally. And the aloe vera plant is about 1 or 2 feet tall with prickly and bitter leaves, which act as a defence to keep animals and insects from feeding on the plant. And the leaves hold a gooey, translucent gel renowned for its unbelievable healing properties. This translucent gel is made up of around 96% water with some organic and inorganic compounds and a type of protein which contains 18 of the 20 amino acids found in the body, and it also does include vitamin A, B, C and E. Now, one of the most important elements found in aloe vera gel is a complex carbohydrate known as acemannan, and it allows nutrients to reach the cells, nourishes them, and at the same time relieves them of toxins. So aloe vera is therefore both an effective skin moisturiser and pain reliever. Aloe vera is extensively used in beauty products, and for very good reason. It's also got antiviral and antibacterial properties, and combined with the 18 essential amino acids is a powerful skincare remedy. Aloe vera can treat, exfoliate, restore, reveal and provide constant nutrition to the human skin. And once you apply the aloe vera gel to your skin, you'll notice how soothing and cooling it is, and it's for these exact reasons that aloe vera is a great herbal remedy. It can be used to treat wounds, minor cuts, dry skin and severe burns such as sunburn. And since aloe vera is rich in vitamin C, E and beta carotene, it also has nourishing and anti-aging qualities. It can moisturise the skin without making it greasy, which makes it great for those with oily skin. And aloe vera can be used in the winter as well as the summer and by people of all skin types, and aloe vera treats the cells on the outer level of the skin, which is why it's recommended by dermatologists to remove tan, treat sunburn and stretch marks. One way to use aloe vera is to apply the gel directly. Another would be to make a pack using aloe vera along with some other natural ingredients. So why not try mixing equal quantities of aloe vera gel and extra virgin coconut oil, apply to the skin and leave it on there for as long as possible. Not only will you then benefit from the aloe vera qualities we've just mentioned, but coconut oil also has benefits for skin, including reducing inflammation, keeping skin moisturised and helping to heal wounds. And the medium chain fatty acids found in coconut oil also possess antimicrobial properties that can help treat acne and protect the skin from harmful bacteria. So we hope you found this information useful. We have many similar videos being released shortly. So please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, and that way you will catch all the latest updates. Until next time, goodbye.